In this video, we'll learn how to set up your communication channels in Skara so you can connect with customers wherever they reach out, all from one unified inbox. This setup allows Skara to manage conversations across chat, social media, voice, and text without switching between multiple tools. Let's walk through the process step by step. Set up chat for web and mobile apps. If you're using the Skara only license, the setup process is quite simple, as the chat channel is created by default. Once you log in, you'll be prompted to enter your company website. If you have one, you can add it to help power your AI pilot, or you can choose to skip this step. Next, create your AI pilot persona and define name, instructions, and the default tone of your AI pilot. Then click Next. Now, enter your inbox name, for example, Salesmate Inbox, and click Next. And that's it! Your AI pilot along with the chat setup will be ready to use. If you're using Salesmate, the setup process is just as straightforward. To set up your communication channels, navigate to the unified inbox from the left sidebar. Click here to create your first inbox app. Enter the inbox name, add a description, set accessibility based on who should have access, choose the default availability according to your business hours, review the conditions and privacy policy, and then click Save. This will create the chat channel by default. You'll then be redirected to the web widget page where you can preview the content and styling of how the chat messenger will appear on your website and customize it as needed. On the Security tab, you get the option to allow attachments and decide whether to deploy the chat messenger only on trusted domains. Next, open the Installation tab. There, you'll find the code for your website, iOS, and Android. Copy this code and paste it before the closing tag on every website page where you want the chat widget to appear. Next is Availability, where you can set the expected response time. Under the required details, you can enable options to capture specific information before the chat is initiated. Lastly, in MISC, you have options for sounds and conversation ratings. Now let's move to the next channel. Set up voice and text. Now, let's set up voice and text. Under Unified Inbox, open Inbox Settings. Please note, you must have an active Skara core seat to access Inbox Settings. Go to the channels. Click on New. Here, you can see the available listed channels, such as Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, and voice and text. Select Voice and Text by Salesmate as the channel type. Enter the channel name of your choice. Then click Connect Number. Here you will be presented with two options like purchasing a new number or use an existing number. Select either of the options and click Connect to continue. Once the number is connected successfully, you'll see a confirmation message. That was super easy. Now let's move to the next channel configuration. Connect Instagram Messenger. Let's connect the Instagram Messenger. Click on New, enter a channel name of your choice, and choose Instagram as the channel type. You will then be redirected to the Instagram login page. Click on Save, then connect your Instagram account. Once authenticated, your Instagram messages will now flow directly into your inbox. Similarly, you can connect your Facebook account. Once connected, you'll be able to send and receive Facebook messages directly from Skara. Now let's move to the next channel. Connect WhatsApp Messenger. You can connect to WhatsApp using Vonage or Twilio. Click New, enter a channel name of your choice, and choose WhatsApp by Vonage or WhatsApp by Twilio as the channel type. Click Save, then click Connect. Next, open your Twilio or Vonage account settings and copy the API credentials, including the account SID and auth token. Enter the WhatsApp number you want to connect and click Next. Once completed, your WhatsApp channel will be connected. Now that your communication channels are set up, you're ready to bring every customer conversation into one unified place. And let Skara help you manage customer engagement from a single unified inbox. Explore the setup today and simplify the way your business communicates with customers.